Welcome and thanks for joining us today. We will be doing a quick walkthrough on how to install your MT4 trading platform rapidly. We will also help you to get the hang of quickly setting up multiple broker MT4 accounts on your PC. First, we will visit our favorite broker's website and do all the necessary signups, including downloading the MT4 application setup files. With the files downloaded on our computer, we are ready to proceed with the installation. Please see the rest of the demo in this video and follow up with any further questions you may have.
Please ensure that all the product contents in the respective Expert Advisor, EA, Indicator, Template, and Profile folders shown in the demo are copied to the respective folders in the newly installed MT4 platform, starting with the Expert Advisor shown here. One tip is to pin the newly installed platform to the taskbar.